Hello guys and welcome back on our CryptoAF YouTube channel. My name is Liam and usually I'm responsible for the German stock videos, but from now I also make English crypto content for you guys. So let's have a look at today's video. Today we want to talk about Cardano and what are the price predictions for Cardano for the next weeks and months. So we have a price prediction for Cardano for the year 2022. But before that, I have to ask you, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do this because that supports us the most. So when you haven't subscribed this channel and like our content, please subscribe our channel. You never miss content and that supports us the most. Okay guys, let's begin with some fundamental facts about Cardano. Cardano is the sixth biggest cryptocurrency on the market with a market capitalization of 60 billion US dollar. That's approximately 1/8 of Ethereum. And let's have a look what makes Cardano so special. Cardano is invented and implemented by the founder or co-founder of Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson, and the cryptocurrency is very interesting because Cardano tries to learn about older mistakes from other cryptocurrencies or older cryptocurrencies. Like for example, the target of the developers of Cardano is to research and solve previous problems of other blockchain projects. So it is very interesting for Cardano to invent something better for the future and to be a better cryptocurrency for the future. For example, it is very important to provide the security of the users, but at the same time, Cardano is very transparent to governments or official institutions because the developers and the founder think in future there will be a control of governments or official institutions about cryptocurrencies, so they want to be like prepared for this case to happen. Another interesting fact about Cardano is that with Cardano smart contracts are possible, and also Cardano has an open source code, so everybody can watch this code, everybody can copy it, or everybody can improve it. So I hope now you have a better overview about what is Cardano and what are the key facts about Cardano. But guys, please be kind. That's my first video on English, so I want to improve my English skills. And yeah, I would say let's go to the chart and have a look at the chart of Cardano and see what are our price predictions for the year 2022. Okay guys, so let's start with the chart analysis in the week chart of Cardano. And as you can see, a short time period after Cardano was invented, it has had an extremely pump to the upper side, like we see price levels about $1.40. And as you can see, $1.40 is not a big difference through the current price level at $1.77. So as you can see, Cardano was at a very high price level at the very beginning. And after that, Cardano had a big dump to the downside and saw price levels like 30 cents, and after that here was a little sideways movement. So we see after that the Corona dump, another big dump for Cardano, and in the Corona dump we saw the lowest price level of Cardano in under $2. So under $2 is a very small price level for Cardano that we never see before the Corona drop, and after that we had this extreme dump in the bull market here, and we see new price levels, new all-time highs of Cardano here. As you can see guys, I make this support bigger because this support has the biggest importance for the current time. So as you can see, here were much retests of this support, and after that we see a very beautiful bounce here to the upper side and see a new all-time high of above $3. So as you can see in the Cardano week chart, it is very unlikely for the future to go below these $1 or below these $98 support zone here. So I would say we have a look at the smaller time frame. Okay guys, let's have a look at the day chart of Cardano. I added some more lines here, like this big resistance line which was broken up by Cardano in by the end of the last year, and after that we see this immediate extreme pump right here. And yeah guys, now we are forming a big rising broadening wedge. And what means this for the price? The price is moving between the two trend lines of the rising broadening wedge, and what we expect to happen is that the price after this movement in this rising broadening wedge is doing this. we expect the price to go here again on the lower trend line of the rising broadening wedge, and then we have to wait for the reaction of this line. If the trend line is a support or holds the support for the price level, we probably see a new pump here to a new all-time high, because when we have the price target from that, the trend line or the confirmation line is here. So after that, we can expect that the price is going on a new all-time high, and that would be exactly here at the upper trend line of the rising broadening wedge. And this would be a price move from the below trend line, from the below trend support to the upper trend support and a new all-time high, like most likely 300% or 3x. That's a big price movement. And also we have to keep in mind that there can be another scenario, because if this support line here doesn't hold the price level, we will go below this at the price level from the big support we see here in the week chart. We see it again here at 98 cents. So for the Cardano price, it is very important to hold this trend line, this trend support here. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have this new support here, which I have in this time frame at $1.89, and this support is not holding anymore. So we see the price level going downwards, and we also have a confirmation of this breakout through the downside. And yeah, what do we expect for the price now? All this is in our scenario. This is very good for us because we expect that the price is going on like right here. Also, we have to keep in mind that here is an extremely big support zone. So I don't think that the price is falling much below this $1.47 price level. So as you can see, we have much support down here. I think this would like to be a support zone, but I don't have the trend lines in the bigger time frames, so I didn't have this as support zone in my chart. But we are expecting the chart to do this, because when the price hits the level here below, when the price hits the trend line, the lower trend line of the rising broadening wedge, we are ready for a breakout through the upside. Okay guys, so in summary, we have our rising broadening wedge here. We expect that the price is going down on this trend line of the rising broadening wedge, and after that has an extremely pump to nearly $5.20. And yeah, this would be my price prediction for Cardano for the next weeks and months. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry again for my English. I want to improve my English skills, so be kind with me. And yeah, when you like our videos, not especially this video because this is my first video on English, but when you like our videos in generally, please leave a like or follow there for our channel. Yeah, see us next video. Thanks and goodbye.